We guide you through how to delete your Gmail account or permanently delete your Google account. So, the first thing you need to do is to open your browser, go to myaccount.google.com, then make sure you are signed in to Gmail account you want to remove. On the left side, click on Data and Privacy, then scroll down until you see More Options and select Delete your Google account. Google will ask you to verify your password for security purposes. To enter it to continue. So after that, you'll see important information about what will deleted, including your emails, Google Drive files, YouTube data, and access to other Google services connected to that account. Carefully read the details, scroll down, and tick the two confirmation boxes to acknowledge that you understand the consequences. And finally, click Delete Account to permanently remove your Gmail and Google account. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so make sure you back up any important data before completing the steps.